Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. In unit testing, we focus on testing the smallest units of code, typically individual methods, in isolation. Private methods are not directly accessible from outside the class, so we need to use reflection to test them. However, testing private methods directly is not recommended as they are implementation details and should be tested through the public interfaces that use them. But if you still want to test a private method directly, here is a guide on how to do it. 1. Use reflection. Reflection is a feature in Java that allows you to inspect and manipulate classes, methods, fields, etc., at runtime. We can use reflection to access and invoke private methods for testing purposes. Here's a code example demonstrating how to do this. In this example, we have a private method multiply in the return class. In the returntest class, we use reflection to access the private multiply method and invoke it to test its functionality. 2. Consider refactoring. If you find yourself needing to test a private method directly, it might be a sign that the method should be extracted into a separate class or made public. This promotes better design practices and makes the code more testable. 3. Use mocking. Instead of testing private methods directly, consider testing them indirectly through the public methods that use them. You can use mocking frameworks like Mockito to mock dependencies and isolate the behavior of the private method. Remember, the primary goal of unit testing is to test the public behavior of your classes and methods. Testing private methods directly can lead to fragile tests that break easily when the implementation changes. It's usually better to focus on testing the public API of your classes for more robust and maintainable tests.